Linear guideway industry sees steady expansion. Driven by Chinese leadership, the linear guideway sector is undergoing a period of stable growth, spurred by rising demands for automation within diverse industries, including automotive, aerospace, and electronics. As per a report published by Research and Markets, the global linear guideway market is projected to achieve a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 8.5% between 2025 and 2028. The study emphasizes that the Asia-Pacific region will likely maintain its dominance in the market, attributable to the presence of key manufacturing centers in nations such as China, Japan, and South Korea. China has emerged as one of the leading producers of linear guide rails, facilitated by several crucial factors. Firstly, the country boasts a vast and highly skilled workforce capable of manufacturing superior quality products at more competitive costs compared to many other countries. Furthermore, the Chinese government has enacted various policies aimed at fostering the advancement of the manufacturing sector, inclusive of linear guide rail production. This has culminated in the establishment of a robust supply chain and infrastructural framework supportive of the production and exportation of these products. Lastly, China's strategic geographical positioning and access to major shipping routes render it an optimal location for exporting linear guide rails to global markets. Presently, China stands as one of the world's foremost producers of linear guide rails, with numerous domestic enterprises actively competing within the market. These companies have remained committed to investing in research and development endeavors, thereby fostering the creation of novel and innovative products. Moreover, Chinese enterprises have also been expanding their production capabilities, enabling them to cater effectively to the escalating demand for linear guide rails both within the domestic market and on the international stage. The linear guideway industry is anticipated to sustain its growth momentum, with China expected to play a pivotal role in shaping the market's evolution as the requirement for automation continues to rise. The sector is poised to witness further advancements and expansions driven by Chinese enterprises